What matters is that you do exactly what it said from you, and you'll just see the results that I'm seeing right here with the unlimited coins and unlimited keys. You will just beat all the high scores that you have, guys, the top runs. Anything that you got on Subway Surfers will be 10 levels above because you will have unlimited resources just like that. How's it going, fellas? Welcome, and today your boy will show you something very interesting, and that is how we can get unlimited keys and unlimited coins all in Subway Surfers. You'll just be playing your favorite game, guys, without any issues, without any delay, and without any grinding. You will have unlimited resources that you need to play the game that you always wanted to play. So, I mean, just like that, you know how it gets when you want to play but don't have enough coins or keys. Those days are finally over. Your boy will guide you through each and every step of this whole tutorial on what you exactly need to do. So basically, what we do right here, guys, is to make sure to have our Wi-Fi connection on. Do not use any type of VPN connections, which is a very important step. Now, that all being said, that all being done, we can open up our browser. You can open up any browser, as this is working for both iOS and Android devices. You will only need to type in this address right here. As you can see, click on the search button, you will be on this website where you can search for games and apps that you like. Any game or app is available right here. It will be the same process as we will do with the Subway Surfer, but let's not lose our focus for now. Let's go get that unlimited keys and coins, as there are around 70 active users and around 12 remaining slots. They are being added up, but it can all go away so fast. So let's select our username right here, and then we will select the mobile device that we are on, or the platform, as they say right here. And right after that, guys, we will be selecting the amount of keys and the amount of coins. And your boy said unlimited. Those are specific numbers. Basically, with this whole tutorial, your boy saw on the internet and a fella doing it. I'm just literally doing each and every step exactly the same, and the process could be done over and over again. That is why we can get them in unlimited amounts. But as your boy is finalizing the step-by-step tutorial, we will have one more step, and right after that we will see the moment of truth and if we got the unlimited keys and coins. So we will click on this generate code. So do not worry, there is not a code needed for this. We only need to do one more step, and that is to either download 3 apps. Do what it says from us in the description. Each and every app will be from the official App Store, Google Play Store. So for example, TikTok will say to open up and run it for 30 seconds. Other apps will say something like cancel plus search, something easy like that. But if you want to do it much faster, you can just go ahead and complete 3 questionnaires, and that will be it basically. So in this case, your boy will go ahead and download 3 apps, and I'll be right back. And boom, guys, here we are. Those are the 3 apps your boy downloaded. Follow up, download each and every one exactly if you want, or any other from the list. What matters is that you do exactly what it said from you, and you'll just see the results that I'm seeing right here with the unlimited coins and unlimited keys. You will just beat all the high scores that you have, guys, the top runs. Anything that you got on Subway Surfers will be 10 levels above because you will have unlimited resources just like that. Thank you so much for watching, fellas. I hope everything was useful for you as it was for me. If there are any questions, leave a comment down below. Otherwise, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See ya.